How foolish would that be? That after this guidance came to you, after this knowledge came to you, after this brotherhood came to you, for you to still go back, would that make sense? That would be foolish. And alhamdulillah, you guys have it nice, alhamdulillah. Some of you may have started your journey now, some of you may have been practicing for a while, but you guys have the opportunity, you got the brothers around you. Wallahi, I remember when I first started practicing, wallahi, I had no one. Wallahi, I had no one. For like, maybe like 3 months. Just me and my own fam. I used to make so much dua to Allah. Please, Ya Allah, give me righteous companions. I had no one, fam, no one. I'd go to college, I'd go home. I'd go to the masjid, I'd go home. I was by myself for like 3-4 months. And alhamdulillah, you know, I used to make so much dua to Allah. I just happened to go to one of Imran's classes. We just clicked. It's like Arabic class with Saad, we just clicked. Alhamdulillah, Allah blessed me with what I believe are some of the most righteous companions Allah could have blessed me with, man. Alhamdulillah. But you know what the craziest thing is? It's till now that I still coming true, because every single Umrah trip we do, Allah puts more righteous companions in my life. Alhamdulillah. But you know what's even better for me? What's even more powerful for me is this time Allah did one better. Not only did He bring new companions into my life, He brought some of my boys from Jahiliyyah, He brought them, and He allowed them to come Umrah with me, and He brought them onto the deen as well. And wallahi, never, ever would I have ever imagined I'll be doing Umrah with my friends from Jahiliyyah. Wallahi, Allah knows how much dua I used to make for them. Allah knows how much dua I used to make for them. And wallahi, I'm so grateful to Allah for allowing me to meet you guys, and for me to be a part of your journey. And I hope that you guys feel the same way. But wallahi, it's very important that when you go back, you keep the brotherhood up. You know, Allah's blessed you. Look around you. These are brothers. Inshallah, they're going to be at your weddings. Weddings, inshallah. And inshallah, they're going to be at your funeral. Alhamdulillah, I don't know about everyone else, but my group, we memorize the dua for janazah. Alhamdulillah. So if any of you guys die, don't worry, my group's going to be there for you. Alhamdulillah. One last thing, I just want to give a big shout out to my group, because wallahi, you guys were amazing. Alhamdulillah, man. You didn't give me no problems, you didn't give me no issues, and without a shadow of a doubt, you guys were the best group here. 100%. You're better than all 3 other groups, I'll tell you that now, with my chest. Alhamdulillah. And I can honestly say as well, if your group were better, you would have remembered to mention it, but you didn't mention it. Alhamdulillah. No one mentioned it before. I wasn't on it. It came to my mind straight away. Come on. Now we know that Imran's going to say it as well in his talk. Just if I'd gone last, come on, you know. But one last thing that I want to leave you guys with, inshallah. I just wanted to say, Kamar, honestly, akhi, it's been an absolute pleasure, man. From seeing you from the beginning, when you first took your shahada at Knowledge Con, from before that, you came as security. Does everyone know how he became Muslim? Does everyone know? I'll mention it very briefly, very quickly. So we had an event called Knowledge Con, 4-day event, and we needed security. Because our events are quite mad. One time, a couple, youth tried to run up in the masjid to try to stab one of the guys who was there. Imran was there, Gulid was there. These men had to break it up, and eventually those guys who came to stab the guy, they ended up sitting down and listening to the dars. So alhamdulillah, it worked out. But the point is that we get some we get a bit of a mad crowd coming to our events, which is a good thing. Alhamdulillah, that's what we want. We call it mad thing in the masjid for a reason. You get me? So we had this event, Knowledge Con, and we needed security. So, Kamal was one of the brothers who was doing security there, and he wasn't even Muslim at the time. I remember, because there was 2 other brothers who were Muslim, and there's Kamal as well, and Muslim name Kamal. I thought maybe, I gave him salam, he replied to my salam on the first day, so I thought, he's a Muslim, whatnot. So 2-3 days into it, the second day I must have asked him, I said, how long have you been Muslim for? He goes, I'm not Muslim yet. I was like, what? He goes, yeah, no. I believe in Allah, I believe in the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and all that, but you are a Muslim, you're talking about. If you believe that, you believe the same I believe, you're basically a Muslim. He said, I'm not ready yet, so on and so forth. He gave his reasons, this and that. There's no time to waste. You're never going to think that you're ready. That's shaitan telling you that you're not ready. Imagine right now something was to drop out of the sky, and someone throws something out the window and it hits your head and you die. You die as a kafir. And you know what that means, right? He said, yeah, I know what that means. This is why. But I don't want to force it on him too much. So I thought, what, bro, think about it, let me know. He's thought about it, he's talking. There's one other kid there, I can't remember his name, but that kid was Allahu Akbar, he was amazing, So, couple 10-15 minutes later, I come like, let's do it. Let's do what? I'm ready. Ready for what? Shahada. What? Yeah, bro, let's go. Right now. I was like, no, let's go, bro. Took him upstairs, took his shahada. And alhamdulillah, man, the fact that You know, just over a month after, Allah allowed you to come to Umrah. It's a very, very, very good sight, man. And only a week after he took his shahada, his partner also took her shahada. Look at that. The way Allah, you know, flips the hearts, alhamdulillah. And now, alhamdulillah, he's come to Umrah. Wallahi, that's not a joke. So I'll leave you with that, and just wanted to say, you know, alhamdulillah, hopefully this is just the beginning, and you know, we've got a lot more memories to come. And one thing that myself and, you know, brother Gulid and brother Saad and brother Imran, we wanted to just give you a little wedding gift. So on the next Sisters Umrah trip, we're going to take you and your wife for absolutely free. All expenses paid Umrah trip, inshallah, for the two of you, inshallah. Yeah? May Allah bless you, akhi, man. And with that, I'll end there, and I'll pass it on to Saad, inshallah. We'll come to give a little reminder, inshallah.